So here we are, Representative Doggett, 60 years later, having to do this battle again. What does this say to you about where we go from here?
Well, today should be a moment of celebration that 60 years later, after President Johnson, who was once the Congress member from my city here in Austin, and through the blood, sweat, and tears of our friend, the late John Lewis from Representative Williams' district, and so many people who were sacrificed across the South, that we have this voting rights protection. And we have seen the progress that it has brought, not only in Congress, but in local government and state legislators all over the country. And now in this Texas redistricting case and in a case pending from Louisiana in the United States Supreme Court, we are in danger of losing Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act. In Texas, what Trump's done here is not all that different from when he turned to the Georgia Secretary of State and said, I need 11,740 more votes in Georgia. Here, he sent his command to a more willing and compliant state Republican and said, just give me 5. I just need 5 Republicans to replace 5 Democrats so I can stay in power and begin to my march across America to eliminate other Democrats, basically to steal next year's election in the actions he's taking this year. And yes, not unlike the struggles of the civil rights movement, bomb threats, intimidation. This afternoon claims that the Attorney General initiated an action claiming possible bribery by those who are trying to raise money to support these folks. Our Attorney General and our governor fighting over who should be the one to try to remove the chair of our Democratic leadership in the State House from office. And just as with the racial charges of the past, that chair is a very great guy from Houston, Gene Wu. And one of the Republicans today sent out a message, why doesn't he return to China, or has he returned to China? Not unlike some of the slurs against African Americans and against Hispanics in the past that characterize the racism that has permeated the Republican Party, with race being really central. They want to give Donald Trump more control, but it is race that is the tool they are using in a deliberate effort to eliminate African American and Hispanic opportunity districts in Texas.